tell me about your page, bro. Heal Through Wisdom, right? It's also very similar. Like I went through the videos, like the initial videos, you were like all philosophy and stuff. Then you were like telling what all you read and stuff that you liked,
Oh,
right?
as in philosophy in the sense those spreading love wale.
Yeah, that one, that one. Something
Yeah, yeah,
something very sweet happened right now. I told
yeah.
my friend about this thing that Dhruvi exists and she has a page where she's been
Oh
doing
my
like
God.
heal through
Oh my
wisdom
God.
kind of
Yes.
podcast, and she just gave me this sticky note. Like I don't know if you're able to
Oh
see it,
my
right?
God. You said you're into writing. What do you write? So I've seen some of your posts.
Mhm.
There's some poetry, something, right? Would you
Usually write
document this
about
podcast?
what,
Just
what,
kidding.
what?
ये आइडिया आया फिर वहां से पॉडकास्ट का आइडिया आया तो इट्स जस्ट हैपनिंग लाइक विद द फ्लो आई डोंट नो रैंडमली हो रहा है बस
Am I enough? What am I doing? Is this really me? Why do
Who
I
am I
feel
without success?
lost? Am I enough? Why can't I slow down? Maybe it's okay.
Devanshi, our next
Yes.
guest. Happy to have you, our first female podcast, dude. Personally, very happy.
Happy to be
Personally,
here.
very
Like
happy.
it's my pleasure. Like the very first time I texted you, I was like so excited when you texted back that Devanshi, do you want to come over this? And I was like,
Oh, thank
yes.
you, thank you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's cool, dude. And I mean, hoping that we'll have some more females coming up now. Now that you have come here, you've shown up. So cool, यार. Uh, करो यार introduce बताओ थोड़ा अपने बारे में. Let's just move on. Let's go
ठीक
ahead.
है, I'll just give a background of who I am. And
Yeah,
we won't get into the nitty-gritties of it. I'll just tell you what I am because whatever
sure.
I'm doing does not make any sense when I say it to people, but fine. I'm
Cool.
Devanshi. I have been into writing a bit, but academically speaking, I'm a phase one MBBS student at a college affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. Cannot take the name because college policies. And alongside that, I am doing this digital business and entrepreneurship program at IIM Bangalore, BBADB they call it. And I really hope it works out in my favor. Thanks.
Yeah, yeah. Great. So you're doing MBBS, right? As
Yeah.
in you're preparing for like doctor something. I mean, not
Yeah,
from
that
science
one, that one.
background, so I don't
Again,
know
I
much.
said it like when I mention it to people, it does not really make much sense because they find it hard to believe that how come I landed up here, but there's like a very huge story to it. I can
As in
share
the
it.
connection between BBADB and MBBS. You're
No,
saying that?
as in how I
Yeah.
landed up in MBBS.
Oh,
Like,
okay.
okay,
Okay. Yeah.
the thing is that I
Huh?
was not anticipating getting this college, right? I was like, I wrote this I'm Bangalore ka exam and I got that. And I didn't have that rank good enough to get into a college until the very last phase. So I just took admission in IIM Bangalore. Before that, I was in like IPL I was doing at Rohtak. And I just happened to
Oh,
leave
wow.
that for greener pastures. Then that plan didn't work out. Then I just wrote IIM BCA exam, got into IIM Bangalore, and at that time I was like
Yeah.
not expecting anything from me. But then my parents were like, "You just fill up the counseling, sit in the rounds." I'm like, "There's no hope there." But then they were like, "You at least sit because we are saying it." And then around December, I got the allotment, and then since December, I'm here in Karnataka.
That's great, dude. You took science, by the
Yeah,
way,
I
right?
had science. Yeah.
Yeah. PCB. Sanjeev.
I studied biology.
Great, great. Cool, yaar. You said you're into writing. What do you write? So I've seen some of your posts.
Mhm.
There's some poetry, something, right?
Yeah. Poetry, like, okay, I like anything that's fiction, right? I like observing people. So
Yep.
whatever I observe from them is what I end up writing. Like I just like documenting my interactions with people and the
Wow.
not the interactions per se, but the feelings that comes alongside those interactions, and the one that you don't really want to talk about, but then you wanted to like keep it somewhere safer or something. That's what I did. So I was just starting to document my like whatever I was feeling in the heat of the moment, like whenever I would interact with someone or something would happen, because I used to be this very sensitive kid who has been cradled by stories. So that's how I started writing. And what I
Would you
usually write
document this
about,
podcast?
what,
Just
what,
kidding.
what?
Would you document this podcast?
I,
Kidding,
I
kidding.
would like, okay, like not
Yeah.
document, but I think I'll decide by the end of this podcast if I have something
Yeah.
to write
How
about
did
it.
it go? Like depending upon what's the
Yeah.
value output. Yeah.
Mhm. Okay, see, when
Great.
we talk about value,
Yeah.
it's like very quantitative kind of thing, which is not my forte in writing. What I usually write about is something that's very abstract. It's all emotions and not very
As in value and
substantial.
emotions, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Mm. Mm-hmm. Okay, that's pretty interesting though. I mean, something that people don't usually talk about, people kind of ignore in the midst of all of that's happening, academics and everything, poetry and interactions. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, it's cool. Hmm.
But tell me about your page, bro. Heal Through Wisdom, right? It's also very similar. Like I went through the videos, like the initial videos, you were like all philosophy and stuff. Then you were like telling what all you read and stuff that you liked,
Oh,
right?
as in philosophy in the sense those spreading love wale.
Yeah, that one,
मतलब
self-love
वैसे,
kind of stuff.
so it's basically, yeah, see, the core thing is basically, the niche that we are catering to is definitely, this, what do I say? I'm not sure if we'll just put it into mental health stuff, because अभी HTW का जो ये podcast है, that's actually catering to the mental health aspect. But इससे पहले मेरा एकदम ऐसा narrow scope नहीं था. I was just, see, I just love reading books on, life and how things work. And again, the philosophical aspect as well, or otherwise emotional aspect of a human being. That's very interesting, it gets very interesting. So yeah, I've been reading that, and I actually find it very interesting. So I was like, ठीक है यार, चलो ऐसी रैंडम आइडिया आया कि चलो रील बनाते हैं, कुछ लिखते हैं, स्क्रिप्टिंग करते हैं. इवन आई यूज टू लाइक, इवन आई डू राइटिंग एंड स्टफ. लाइक ठीक है, चलो रील बनाते हैं, कंटेंट क्रिएशन तो वैसे भी करना है. एंड देन ये आइडिया आया, फिर वहां से पॉडकास्ट का आइडिया आया. तो इट्स जस्ट हैपनिंग लाइक विद द फ्लो. आई डोंट नो, रैंडमली हो रहा है बस. Yeah.
But you know what? Like whatever you post, it has like very specific niche to it. It's either health, fitness, or self-love, or something related to it. And that's what's like that's one thing that I do relate to, because I've been in that place. You know, that fitness all I think that's what I connected with you the most, and that's why I
Yeah.
texted you regarding that only. So I really love your content.
फिटनेस एज इन क्या, हेल्थ वाला फिटनेस क्या? वो तो मेरे
Not
मेरे
health
पेज पे
wala
जाते हैं.
fitness, it's just that the importance of having a routine, just waking up early, having healthy food, smoothies,
oh
fruits,
yeah,
that
yeah.
thing.
that thing. हाँ. तो वो कुछ ऐसा, मतलब हाँ, उसको ऐसा कर सकते हो फिट इन उसमें. सेल्फ लव, रूटीन, लविंग योर सेल्फ, द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ यू. हाँ, तो उस टाइप का
Like
नहीं.
cherishing
हाँ,
your body and being happy with that.
exactly. Just love putting all of this. Just love, focusing on this aspect of life. Great, यार. I believe ये कहीं ना एक गर्ल से ही आ सकता है. ये अभी तक किसी बॉय ने नहीं बोला था. अभी जितने भी मेरे पास गेस्ट आ चुके हैं. So, yeah, definitely. I think we have this feminine energy, dude. कुछ तो है. So
Like
cool,
there's
yeah.
always this roots that we find within our fellow female friends, right?
Yeah. Great, yaar. I think we'll focus more on this feminine energy part इस podcast में. तो इसको थोड़ा सा अच्छा सा करते हैं, soft सा बनाते हैं इस podcast को. वैसे मतलब just before going into all this, just wanted to ask you, how are you managing both of the stuff? Like honestly, मेरे लिए even I've been into a college and it's very difficult, dude. How do you make up things like routine and stuff, dude? कैसे?
Honestly speaking, I'm not able to manage anything, okay? एक पैर इधर है,
हाँ.
एक पैर इधर है, none of it is working out. Like, it is working out, but then not how I wanted it to work out. So, like, initial 2 months after coming here, I was only contemplating my choice that is it the right thing that I came here because I wanted to do that, right? Before that, like, before getting into I am Bangalore, like, I am Bangalore also happened, all for like very suddenly it happened because I had other offers at some like universities abroad, right? I was about to go to King's
Oh wow.
London or Warwick Business
Wow.
School. Like I was deciding between those two. So I
Wow.
lost the deadline to reply to Kings, and then I had Warwick in hand, and like I was just trying to do all my documents and stuff, but then some administrative barriers happened, and I could not like go there, reach there on time, and thus I had to like sit with I am Bangalore, and alongside I had written this exam, right? So I sat for its counseling also, and then got through this college. So after coming here for the 2 months, I was like not very happy. Like while I had I am Bangalore in hand, I was like really happy that at least I have something business oriented. But then like term one के modules थे, so you had a lot of free time at that point. Although it was hectic, but then when you're not able to like do anything on the side, then you do feel that gap. तो उस समय मुझे लग रहा था, even my parents were like, you know what, तुम घर पे हो, you're not really studying because they were only seeing me sitting in front of a laptop. And then they were like, you know what, you'll get a college. I'm like, no way I'm getting a college. And then I got this college. I came here and 3 months, like first December में I came here. December, January, February. January में we had a first internals here, ठीक है? And it was so terrible. So we used to have our classes till 4:30 initially. तो नहीं हो रहा था. And I also had to write my term one exams, so could not really write that because practicals हो गए थे बीच में. So I think just taking a term break and like scheduling your exams in such a manner that these things don't overlap, yet you're able to like make out time for this degree, because 2 hours a day is I think more than enough for DBE. So I just try to make those 2 hours either during my lunch recess period or during like morning. I just try to wake up early, and like after workout and stuff, I just try to incorporate this thing into my routine. So अभी चल रहा है. I'm not very sure whether it will happen nicely.
हो जाएगा,
You know
हो जाएगा,
what?
bro.
Something
Yeah, yeah.
something very sweet happened right now. I told
Yeah.
my friend about this thing that Dhruvi exists, and she has a page where she's been doing
Oh my
like
God.
heal through
Oh my
wisdom
God.
kind of
Yes.
podcast, and she just gave me this sticky note. Like I don't know if you're able to
Oh
see
my
it.
God.
And
If you are
what is
attending
written on
that,
this is,
yeah. Read it.
are you able to read
It-
this?
Yeah, if you're attending that interview, do well, all the best. Oh my God, thank you. Wow, this is so cute. See, I told you, bro. Feminine energy, भाई. ऐसी
Yeah,
होती है प्यारी सी
like I
feminine
just
energy.
love my female friends.
है ना? There's something cute भाई इनमें, मतलब these small stuff, अच्छा लगता है यार, अच्छा लगता है. जो
And
भी है,
like
all
I'm
the best
sitting
भी
outside
बोलो,
that
कुछ भी
room.
बोलो.
We have listen. We have a second internals coming in less than a week. So by the time this video would be out, it'd be very late for people who know me of what I'm doing. And like I would have
No.
written my second internals, I guess.
Bro, कल परसों ही आ जाएगा.
My exams are starting only. Okay, I just took it as a like refreshment kind of thing that breaks the monotony of my books and studies. So exams ke like.
Yeah.
Some or the other part of the exam would have ended by the time this video would come out. And like she's studying
Oh,
inside, I am sitting outside her room, and like I'm speaking like anything. People in the
Oh my
corridor who were
God.
sitting here were studying, right? They have even gone back to their
Hey,
room
call her.
because of my voice.
Call her.
She has gone to mess. I'll call her once she comes.
हाँ, sure. अरे यार, let's make it fun, bro. मतलब जिसको आना आ जाओ यार, सब आ जाओ.
Yeah. If
Cool
she
यार,
comes,
cool.
no, I'll ask her.
हाँ, sure. Love to have it. So, right. What do we hop on to now? Okay. Since we've been talking about this self-love and this feminine aspect and all of that, let's ask, do you think being vulnerable or showing your weakness or being messy is okay? even in front of people who you don't know, or you feel like no, मेरे को तो अपनी weaknesses नहीं दिखानी बस. I won't be able to do this.
Okay, if we don't go into the psychological aspect of it, being vulnerable is fine only in front of people you don't meet very often, right? That's what I believe in. I don't know how contradicting this sounds, but like being vulnerable in front of people who matches your vibe, but you know you're not gonna meet them again is fine. But people you're gonna meet very often, I am not very avid encourager of this thing that hey, just show all your insecurities to people you're gonna meet, say tomorrow and for like 1 week. So
Yeah.
somewhere it's fine, sometimes it is not. So there's this very thin line that you need to be careful of, like what side you are showing to whom and how could
Yeah.
that be used. So
So basically, देखो, कहीं ना कहीं practically speaking, yeah, even I feel like this thing कि हाँ यार, मतलब क्योंकि उनके साथ you have to actually go across say 6 months, so you can't just be like हाँ सब कुछ बता दिया boss, right? But at the
yeah,
same time, like being vulnerable here, basically, I was mentioning that, uh, telling them about your real stuff, your real thing, who you are actually. Not even that. Like you feel like नहीं यार ठीक है बस अभी क्योंकि कॉलेज में रहना है, and we people who are studying together, you won't be able to. I mean, that's the reality, that's
yeah.
the practical
Or
aspect.
else, if you're doing that, you need to be okay with the fact that whatever I'm telling might leak out somewhere someday, and you need to be okay with that also. You cannot
Okay.
question
Yeah.
that person that, you know what, I told you this and you leaked it out to somebody else. No, you need to be conscious that if you're telling it, it will get out someday. So
Yeah.
either you refrain your circles that this is where I share vulnerable side of mine, but when it comes to a professional surrounding, you cannot.
हाँ, so basically you're saying कि थोड़ा सा risk रहता है, that actually is when probably that's actually applicable when you have a true friend. अब true friend की definition फिर वही होती है ना कि you trust that person कि
See,
हाँ वो बंदा is like ठीक है वो कुछ नहीं निकालेगा.
the question was
Right,
not
right.
really about friend. It was about, do you think it's okay to be vulnerable? So in front of somebody you can trust, yeah. But then trust also has different levels and variations. With what aspect are you trusting? Are you trusting it because he might listen to you? Obviously, they'll listen to you. But are you also trusting them on the fact that they won't speak about it to someone? They'll keep it to themselves. And after a point, even that person has a tendency to, burn out. Like how long can someone, like my book also talks about this thing, which is that how long do you wait, my ma called. I'll just let her know that I'm in a podcast.
No, or otherwise you can even talk to her. It's okay. चलो ठीक है, I'll start with a new topic, some other, मतलब we were
Yeah.
covering though, but ठीक है.
Hmm.
Do you believe in situationships, hookups, or they still believe in old school love? Devanshi, पे हमने a difficult
Okay, I
question
was
डाल
not,
दिया.
yeah. I was like trying to take it to a different direction. But yeah, I'm not like, if you come and sit with my friends, you would know that they will all hesitate before asking me something like this. But anyways, I'll try to answer. The thing is,
Yeah.
this reverts back to our very first. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thing is that this takes me back to our very initial point of starting this conversation, where we were talking it is to get vulnerable with people. But when you talk about situationships and like hookups and stuff, I don't know what to say. I really have no idea about this. But yeah, if it works for you, if it makes you happy, fine, go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah.
Also,
Okay.
just tell me one thing. I saw that like you have been trying to learn guitar for a while now, right? And I have seen the improvement that you have had in your playing abilities. So how did you choose this instrument?
Oh, me. Okay, so I used to play piano pehle, but honestly,
When I do play
and to be very honest, oh, okay. But to be very honest, guitar was Yes, one is definitely I needed a hobby to as we've
Mm.
talked, you know, to expel that bad energy at times or just do something fun. And of course, yes, one thing is definitely I believe guitar is more much more appreciated and much more accepted in this society. If you like if you know how to play guitar, you know, people around you would be कि अरे अरे वाह यार इसको तो गिटार आता है. So definitely that's as well a reason. That's also a reason. So हाँ मतलब this is what I would say. You were asking me something, okay?
Yeah, it was about that guitar wala thing because you said that you started with the piano first and then you moved to more acoustic sounds. And like my story has been also like somewhat similar. I started with the piano, then I thought that I could never like any other kind of sounds other than electric sounds. But then I saw this cousin of mine playing really good guitar, and then my friends in
Yeah.
school, you know how we used to have choir in school and they were like into guitar and like electric guitar kind of stuff. And I was like, wow, this sounds nice. Electric sounds I know I
This
like, but
cool.
then when the for the very first time when I heard these acoustic sounds, I was like, wow, this is something much sweeter. But
Yeah.
I don't know. I've never been able to stick to one instrument. I just keep flipping from one to another.
That
Not that I can
happens,
play
bro. That
any.
happens.
It's just that I just feel like I want to play both.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
abhi to both my instruments are at home and I've not been able to like touch them.
Hmm. Yeah, I see. I mean,
Like I am totally out of practice.
it's okay यार आ जाएगा but I feel like हाँ मतलब एक से तो बोर हो जाते हैं ये मेरे साथ भी हो रखा है so you know you kind of go to
Not
hop
bored.
on to
Thing
other
is,
मैं तो बोर हो जाती
yeah,
हूँ
like if you're not properly getting trained for that, you end up getting bored of the process of learning. Like sometimes it gets so repetitive. If
ah
it comes naturally to you, it's
yeah
fine. Otherwise, you'll
yeah
burn your fingers like those calluses
yeah
that come. But I really love those
at,
calluses initially.
at times I believe but वही है ना कि you have to embrace being boring and you know this process of learning is definitely hard and boring but ठीक है यार उसको उसको थोड़ा सा उसको you know the more you'll what do I say embrace it you'll get better at the thing. Yeah, like just want to ask you, do you sometimes feel confused or you feel like okay bro this is not working or maybe anxious at times?
So every
Overburdened.
time you
Overburdened.
come and ask my friends, come and ask people around me, they'd always be like, Devanshi, are you okay? Devanshi, you don't need to panic. Devanshi, are you fine? Dude, it's just this little thing. You can like just get through this. Like so many other people are doing it. Then I'm like, dude, if they are all saying that there's no point of panic, maybe there's like literally no point of panicking because I don't know when so many things start happening, I just go all over the place. Also, I find it like difficult to like sit and do one thing, to pick up one thing. And so yeah, I do panic, but I have good set of people around me who can like calm me down.
That's great. That's great. So that means it happens, but you have good support around you. Yep. Any insight on spirituality? कुछ भी. You
Spirituality.
feel like any
I'll,
sort
I'll
of
just share.
anything you do?
I'll just share
by the way.
one incident that happened today morning only. So here
Yeah.
in Karnataka, there's this um um birth anniversary of a very prominent figure who's being followed by a lot of people. Won't say the name, but yeah. So we had this celebration in our college today regarding that, and students were asked to like come forward and offer their prayers for that. So I was called, and my professors were standing right there, and then they just handed me some 12 to 15 incense sticks, and the method that they followed to conduct their prayers was like totally different from what we do in the north. And so, they were using Kannada, and I still don't understand how they talk, like what they are talking. So they were instructing me something, and I was just standing there blankly, and then they just handed me handful of incense sticks, some 12, 15 incense stick all at once, and they wanted me to do something with it in a particular manner, which I could not do. And I'm just standing there. I'm just looking at my friends who are like localites, and I'm like, you know what, you do it. And I just handed it over to my friend. And then one of my professor goes like, Devanshi, which place are you from? I'm like, sir, Haryana. And he's like, oh, that's right. And then I went like, yeah, sir, I was not able to understand. He was like, yeah, but don't you pray at home? Don't you pray to God? I'm like, sir, I do. But the thing was that methods were different, right? You cannot expect everyone to follow the same kind of um, methods and procedures to connect to some supreme power. So, not that I don't pray, I do pray, but to whom do I pray? Is it an entity? No. Is it some energy? Yeah. So, yeah, that's one thing.
Hmm.
And second is that to spirituality is, I think, more about getting to know what comforts you, right?
Okay.
Sometimes it could be at the level of friendships also. If there's someone around you who can calm you down, or if you can just stand up on your beliefs, if you can just stay firm on the belief that there's somebody who's watching your efforts consistently, and that you know that you will eventually get the fruits.
Yeah.
What you sow, so shall you reap. If you believe in that thing, I think you're spiritual.
Yeah. Great. Great. So you believe that there's some sort of energy. Of course, it doesn't have a particular form. And that form is kind of different for people, or maybe it's even the processes are different. But there's some energy that's probably there for our benefit, for our good, and that's almost always looking, and blessing us for our own benefit. So probably connecting to that energy is what you kind of call spirituality, right?
I don't know what that energy is, but I think it's just that way of believing that something exists. I don't know if it exists or not. But if
Okay.
something exists that makes this entire thing work the way it is working and lets it stay in place, and you just try to tune yourself up to that frequency by either consoling yourself or just believing in the fact that you know what, there's some what shlokas or something that can help you believe in that. I think that's
Honestly,
spiritual.
that honestly nobody knows that it exists. It's just believing ki how do you believe though? कैसे believe करें कि okay, like is it through some past experiences, or it's like okay ठीक है नहीं मेरे साथ अच्छा तो हुआ है तो there's something that's working on our favor. Yeah.
I'll need time to think on this. कैसे believe करे? I would say that I've been the kind of person who would refrain from going to temples, or like if someone would ask me that they want you need to go to a temple, I'd be like, oh why? What is there in temple to see? I mean, I really like
Yeah.
the vibe of what a temple looked like, but then I don't. I never liked going to places which are like very crowded. So when you're able to go there, not to like pray to an entity, but to just go and connect with these kind of
Yeah. Kind of.
yeah, to connect with the people who are there, because everyone's coming there with the same kind of mindset that they want to keep their sorrows or any kind of thing that's bothering them there, like leave the baggage somewhere and go out in a lighthearted manner, or they're coming with this sense of gratefulness that you know what, this thing has worked out. So I just want to like share that happiness with someone. Please just go and share prasada or something with other people. If something is bothering me, I just get that thing fixed. If it works out great, if it doesn't, I just move on to something. That could be an alternative. What I was trying to do.
See,
Not
I think there's one, yeah,
okay,
there's
wait.
one interesting thing that you said about mandir wala part, and I love that because I probably feel कि हम लोग usually, most of us, honestly, I don't know, like this, okay, most of us we associate spirituality with mandirs, and I believe that's completely one part of it, because I believe कि क्या होता है ना कि when you, so there's this replica of God, you've created a replica, ठीक है, when you see and you watch that replica, you kind of feel much more elevated, and you probably feel a bit more connected ठीक है, you try to visualize how God would look like. But I personally believe कि अब ऐसे तो see what happens is like you go alone, say to an island, you feel very peaceful. वो तो कोई crowded नहीं है, लेकिन वहां पे how is that you're able to find more peace, you're able to connect more from yourself. Even that could be called as spirituality, no? Uh,
Wait, what place is not crowded but still very peaceful? I just lost you on that one part. You were saying that?
could be like, it's honestly difficult to find such places, but I would say कि any such place where you're able to find peace, जहाँ पे at least people are not there, or maybe you're able to connect with your own self. ऐसा होता है ना बहुत बार जब हम लोग trips पे जाते हैं और हम लोग कोई ऐसी एक जगह लेते हैं जहाँ पे there's very peaceful, there's nobody sitting, there's nobody there, and when you be there, you connect with your own self. That could even be spirituality, no?
Right. See, I think we just deviated from the topic again. Like I have this habit of doing that. So what you started with was spirituality. What I took it to was really like spirituality, which was not supposed to be the intention of this conversation, I guess, right? But I think that
That's okay.
spirituality, right? It has to do something with redemption, the themes of redemption or like profound suffering, and then finding the strength and like resilience to go through that. And you also asked me about how do I believe, right? Because you were saying this, and I just found these word redemption, resilience, and like suffering. It reminded me of this story, like Khalid said you would have heard, right? Kite Transcend and all. So, like all these again, I'll just move to spiritual, like religious kind of spiritualism, wherein all we have are like stories in the end of the day, right? Whatever we talk about, the entities that we go and pray to, or that there exists a universe and how it came into existence. I think we all just believe in the story and we believe in the outcome that has come out of it. Scientifically speaking, we know that the universe exists. Might not know how it came into existence very delicately, but we do know that it exists. So we do know that there's something out there that's making it all work, be it some force, probably some like one of the four forces that exist, or like or just the stories. Honestly, it's just the stories that keeps me going. Any kind of story. You want to convince me, just tell me a story. And you need to make it emotional enough that I am able to connect with it. And if I'm able to get the connection of that story, half of my problem is solved. So that's what spiritualism or spirituality in particular is to me.
Yeah. We do have a lot of stories, like probably, I don't know if you're referring to stories like probably like Ramayana or like this.
Yeah, like those
in
kind
the-
of
in this-
stories. And
in this
then,
context,
yeah.
yeah.
Those kind of stories, then be it Greek mythology. I mean, you pray to anyone, right? Whichever story you believe in, like everyone is tending to teach you the same thing. To stay righteous on your path, to stay courageous, and what else? I don't have the words.
Yeah, great. Yep. How are you liking this degree though? I mean, is it good? What is it?
What?
What
Yeah,
is it
degree.
that you?
Wait, are you talking about that degree? TB?
Yeah, the degree. Yeah.
Yeah, I initially I thought it was not as interesting as I expected it out to be, but then slowly as in how we progressed through the entire course and outline, and then came the exams, I was like, it is a real thing, it is happening, and it's not what I thought it would be like. Because dude, the coursework is so heavy.
Yeah. It is.
Yeah, so it's nice. Like it pushes you, and by the time like when you study for exams, you end up learning a good chunk of things.
Yeah.
How many people have you met through these podcasts? Like the people you have like talked to before, right? I remember Satvik was there and this other guy, Aditya. Aditya or Abhiram? I
Yeah.
don't remember the name.
So four we've
I
done
know.
abhi tak. All guys.
All guys, yeah.
Yeah. तो पहला was अभिलाष से मैं नहीं मिली थी मैं honestly किसी से नहीं मिली हूँ पहले but yeah I've known them सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू ही बट या वैसे तो नहीं इतनी मिली हूँ सी वही है कि मतलब मैं जानती हूँ लोगों को बट ऐसा ऐसा फ्रेंड वाला फ्रेंड ना अभी तक ऑनेस्टली नहीं के बराबर ही मिला है मेरे को बीबीए डीपी में सो दैट्स ओके दैट्स आई एम फाइन विद दैट
In fact, eventually things will fall in place. With due time and due time, it'll
आई
be.
मीन आई ऑनेस्टली फील कि ऐसा ना फिर वो एक फ्रेंड पे स्टिक करना और वो मतलब जैसे स्कूल डेज में होता था वो नहीं करना
Totally
यार
agree
अब
with you
ऑनेस्टली
on this one.
हाउ आर द प्रोजेक्ट्स यहाँ पे
Projects, wait. I haven't been able to do any project because I told you, no, I took a term break because of. Okay, the thing is that we have this third year subject called community medicine that is being taken up in this very year itself. Like it spans over 3 years. They have divided the lectures like that. So I had to take a term break after I came here. So I have not been able to access the courses which involved heavy projects. However, that 0 rupee venture, people did that, and I interacted with them, and they were like really positive about this. Like, okay, I'll tell you, this one guy, he made peanut butter. He's from Haryana only. He's from Hisar. He made peanut butter at home, and sold it in his gym. Although he made loss of like some 8 to 10 rupees, but he found a nice audience. Like he was able to take something out of that project, but the thing. Then who else have I talked to? Wait, are you active in learning pods?
No.
Okay.
I don't know.
then. Yeah, I found it interesting. Also, like one thing that this place. Okay, I just happened to go to Bangalore because of this thing. Not in any of the fest or something, but just to like go and see how things work. And I really loved the place, and the vibe that was
Anna?
there. It was like,
Bro, campus is wow, right? Campus is just wow.
and I really like the lectures that the professors took, the video like live classes that we had. Also, that statistics professor that we had in term 1.
Oh, honestly,
And I enjoyed those classes.
no, bro. Stats was very difficult. Stats was very. Anyway, leave it.
Not talking about it academically, but just by the way he taught.
Otherwise,
Otherwise,
okay.
yeah.
वो AI वाले कुछ तो people लाके, दो children लाके they did.
That
मुझे
example
याद
I
आ
tell
रहा है.
you.
हाँ शायद एग्जाम्पल बहुत पहले था अब तो भूल गई मैं there were
Examples तो
two
बहुत
kids
सारे थे. It just keeps coming.
कुछ तो दो बच्चे थे जिनको वो लाके ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स थे उनके साथ वो बात करते थे that is interesting. Yeah.
By the way, the setup is like really nice. Is this in your home balcony?
Yeah. हाँ है तो बालकनी बट ऑनेस्टली इट्स वेरी क्लोज्ड स्पेस तो अभी मेरे को अब थोड़ा थोड़ा इसको फिगर आउट करना पड़ेगा because it's very it's getting a bit suffocating यहाँ पे to be very honest.
अच्छा, how's the temperature
तो
there right now?
अरे it is good भाई अब तो मतलब गर्मी and all everything started अच्छे से so it's what is it no wait would be some 30ish 30 degree 30 से ज्यादा ही यार. Hey, it's 24. No, it's 39. Sorry. Yeah.
38.
39.
But it's still
39.
better. It's still better
No,
from
dude.
this place.
Oh, is it? What's the temperature वहाँ पे?
Temperature, I don't know, but the sunlight that you get, it's like so sharp. It'll sting you the moment you'll feel it.
Yeah. हाँ, तो वही है. So that's how it is.